Hi guys, if you're trying to install software but keep seeing this error, the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix this problem quickly and easily. Now, if we analyze this error, there are two key phrases: system administrator and policies. This clearly indicates that a policy setting is blocking the installation. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, press the Windows button, type Edit Group Policy, and hit Enter. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Administrative Templates, then click on Windows Components. Now, click on any option in the list and press the W key on your keyboard. Look for an option called Windows Installer and double-click it. Next, click on any setting. Press the T key and find the Turn Off Windows Installer option. Double-click on it. Here, you'll see that the policy is enabled. Simply change it to Not Configured. Click Apply, and then OK. Now close the Group Policy Editor and try installing your software again. As you can see, the error is gone, and the software installs without any problems. I hope this solution worked for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more PC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.